we will provide you with a step-by-step guide to back up your computer files and keep them safe. Step 1. Choose a backup method. There are several ways to back up your computer files, including using an external hard drive, cloud storage, or a network-attached storage (NAS) device. Choose the method that works best for you depending on the size of your files and how often you need to back them up. Step 2. Decide what files to back up. Before you start backing up your files, you should decide what files you need to back up. Make a list of all important files, including documents, photos, and videos that you need to protect. This will help you to avoid backing up unnecessary files that take up space and may slow down the process. Step 3. Set up your backup plan. Once you have identified the backup method and files to backup, it is time to set up your backup plan. Choose a regular schedule that works for you to automatically back up your files. This will ensure that your files are always up to date and there are no chances of losing them. Step 4. Back up your files. Now it is time to back up your files. If you are using an external hard drive, connect it to your computer and follow the instructions to back up your files. If you are using cloud storage, create an account and upload your files. If you are using a NAS device, follow the instructions to set it up and start backing up your files. Step 5. Check your backup. After you have backed up your files, it is important to check that the files have been correctly copied and saved. This will give you peace of mind that your files are safe and secure. You can also test the backup by restoring a file or two to ensure they are correctly saved. Thank you for watching this video on how to back up your computer files and keep them safe. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides. Keep your files safe and happy backing up.